Hi guys, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a double unboxing for you today. Actually, it's going to be like a triple unboxing. It is from Spiral Rain for December. Now, I ordered their Yule box, so I'm excited to see what that's about. So we'll have the Witch box, the Apothecary box, and then the Yule. I'm assuming this one is going to be the Yule. Luna, what are you doing under my bed? My little puppy is acting so bad. Come here. What are you doing? Mercy, thank you. I'm assuming, like I said, this should be the Yule box, so we'll see. As soon as I open this top, we'll know if I'm in the right box or not. I can't tell yet. I don't know. Maybe they just couldn't fit it. This is huge. This looks like it's... No, maybe this is... I'm confused. I don't know. I just stop looking things that are not... Come here. This is my puppy. Her name is Looney. And she's being bad by eating things that she's not supposed to. What are you eating? What are you eating? No. Where's your sister? Go downstairs if you're going to be bad. Or go up there and be good. Yeah, go up there and be good. All right. I'm not sure what box we have here, but we have our paperwork, so we'll figure it out. And we have our normal huge amount of info. So I'm assuming this is... No, there's nobody in there. The whole monthly awesome magazine that we get every month. So we'll see. So, I don't know. Let's see. No, this is the Yule box, guys. Because right here on top, I have a candle, and it says Yule. It's a big black candle. Oh, wow. This smells so good. This is the Yule candle. Full of goodies. Can you see all that good stuff? And it smells delightful. We also have, it looks up, cedar wood incense sticks, the little morning star. We have Yule essential oil. Exciting. What else do we have in our Yule box? We have Yule tea bag, a nice big bag of tea. We have, I don't know what this is. It's a pretty box with the wheel of the year. Yes, it has the wheel of the year on it. So let's see what's in here. Oh, what goodness, we got lots of stuff in here. All right. We have, all right. We have a cinnamon stick. We have a snowflake obsidian tumble. We have a green chime holder with a Celtic symbol on it. We have a gold candle and more cinnamon sticks, like 3 of those. And then it's an affirmation. Yes, it's an affirmation kit. I think it's in both, yes. French and English. It's an affirmation kit. And it has it's a Yule spell. So we got a Yule spell with our candle, our green holder, the cinnamon sticks, and the gold chime. So we have our spell. And we also have a tiny Yule goat. Last year's Witch's Moon, we got the big Yule goat. So now, and I put Yule goats in my box as well. But I never got a little guy like this. This is cute. He can go right on a tree. He's so cute. And the last item in our Yule box is this cute little checkered Santa hat sachet. And let's see what's in this. We have a beautiful planchette. Summoning the holiday spirit, nice/naughty ornament. That is cute. Really nice. So this was an awesome box. So this first Sabbath box I got, I like. Very, very cute items. And I can't wait to dive in. Like I said, and then we got all this info in the Yule box, which is crazy. So the Sabbath box is a value of $120. So you get the this workbook, all this stuff in here. Obviously, this is all Yule stuff. Wow, it is. This is all stuff about Yule. And the Yule spell kit is $25. The Yule candle is $25. The oil is $15. The tea is $13. I'm sorry. The incense, cedar incense is $13. The tea is $12. The ornament is $10. And the goat is $6. And the grimoire pages are $15. And they also email you a workbook, which is $10. So you can look in your email for that. That is amazing. And then this is the apothecary / witch box for December. These are the two that I always get. So let's dive into these. Luna, stop. Just being so bad, digging the things that you don't belong. Hey. I don't know if it's the same that I got over there or not. It might be. No. They're different. So that's the one I got in the Sabbath box. And this big, awesome... Oh, no, I'm lying. It is the same. This is the back. Sorry, guys. So I got two. Lots of info. So one I'm going to bring to my shop so I can share with my customers some great info. Okay. Now, we're going to start off with the apothecary box, so that's right on top. So we got I always butcher this. Enchinsia herb. I'm not good with the wording on that. Got that. We got wormwood, mugwort, and vervain. Okay, what else we got in there? Milk thistle, big bag of that. Valerian root. Pipettes. I don't know what that is. And a glycerine bottle. And glass bottles. Maybe it's in here. Oh boy. This doesn't sound good. Oh no. It's fine. Everything's just smashed. Alright. We got 2 glass dropper bottles. Whatever this was, smashed. I think it's some kind of glass bottle. Pipettes. Got these, lots of these. There's, I don't want to get my hands dirty. pH test strips. Another bottle like this. cheesecloth and glycerine and a funnel. That's all in here. And there's crystal chips floating on the bottom. I don't know if the chips were in the broken bottle or not. Might have been. Yeah. That's what I think. The crystal chip bottle broke. No big deal. So, we got all our goodies. So, that's all in the apothecary box. So, we're going to be making some good thing in there for sure. And then, because they give you all the recipes and stuff in the big area book over here. And you're always making something. All right, in the witch box. Boop, boop, boop. That's a value of 77. I'm lying. Yeah, 77.53 US dollars. The witch box. We have pagan magic incense sticks. I don't see on here. Oh, a witch box, yes. Old World Magic. I don't know. Book is simplified. Oh, guys, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh, yeah, here it is. Pagan incense sticks, $3. Glass candle or votive holder, $9 right here. Luna, what are you doing? Looney, hey! You eating my wood? Sorry, guys. I think she's eating my wood. What are you doing? Get the hell out of here. Are you eating my wood? Oh, Daddy's gonna beat your butt. Get out of here. Get out of there. Oh my God, sorry guys. I just put new wood down on my floor and she's scratching the paint off. He's gonna kill her. Not literally, but you know. Okay. And then in here we have a beautiful pendulum. Looks like black sardonyx. It's really beautiful. What colors in that? Let's tell you that. Oh, tourmaline, believe it or not. Tourmaline. That is gorgeous. You're being so bad, baby. What's the matter with you? A black pentacle pouch. A velvet pouch. And then this baby. Ooh, Witchcraft Simplified. Cute little book. I love books. I love me books. Cute. Let me see if I can give you a little fast little, you know, that's cute. And this looks like the last item here. All right. This is... What are you doing, Loon? Stop, baby, please. Oh, we have a beautiful candle here. A beautiful black beeswax candle. Done up with beautiful gold triple moon charm and dried flowers. Look how beautiful that is. I don't even want to use that beautiful baby. It is gorgeous. And it smells so nice. I'm leaving the box so it does not get messed up. All right. And then it's saying mugwort, vervain, and wormwood. Oh. Vervain, mugwort, and wormwood go into the witch box. These guys go into the witch box. And that goes into that value. into the apothecary box. It's just this one, the milk thistle, the valerian root, and the one I cannot pronounce, guys. And then all the other stuff that was in here. Alright, that makes sense. Let's see what are you doing over there? Let's see what we're gonna try to make. Let me see if we can get that up here. If I can pull out one of the recipes that we're gonna be that we can make. They give you an option that you can do different things. Let me see. Kind of going through this kind of quick. First Outdoor magic. Okay. Tinctures. We're gonna make tinctures. So, glass dropper, the crystal quartz chips, the herbal, the 3 herbs, which is the chintzia, the valerian root, and the milk thistle, cheesecloth, the glycerine pipes, healing and harmony, your personal apothecary, your apothecary box, floor. So we're gonna make tinctures. So it goes into all the roots of the herbs, selecting the tinctures, preserving, storing, magic drops. So full of it. So let me get note, guys. What do you think? I thought these boxes were awesome as always pleasant. I'll leave you the information about this down below. Thank you guys for watching.